Good morning and welcome back students. Today we will study about nervous tissue. The cells of nervous tissue means the single units of nervous tissue are called nerve cells or neurons. Many nerve cells are bounded by connective tissues to make a nerve. The location of nervous tissue is the nerves are found in brain and spinal cord and all over the body. So the brain, spinal cord and nerves made the nervous tissue. Secondly, the functions of nervous tissue or the nerve cells. These nerve cells are highly specialized that helps in transmitting stimuli. Stimuli is any message which we gain from our external environment in the form of any kind of change like a voice, a touch sensation, okay, all are a smell, all are the stimuli which we get from our environment. Okay, these are the messages which we have to send to our brain. So these messages are sent to our brain via the nerve cells. Okay, or inside the body also one message is transferred from one place to other via these nerve cells. And second function of nerve cells is they also control all the activities of our body. Okay, then next is the structure of a nerve cell. The structure of a nerve cell is like this. This is the structure of a single nerve cell. Just a minute. This one. Okay, it is having three main parts: the cell body, axon and nerve endings. This is cell body. This is axon and nerve endings. Okay, this cell body is also known as cyton, which have the branch like structures growing from this. These are known as dendrites. And this axon is the long hair like or thread like structure which conveys the message from one cell to another, which transfer the message from one cell to another. Okay, so just see it here. Three parts of nervous tissue. First is a star-shaped body called cyton, which has nucleus and cytoplasm. Second, a single long part called axon. It carries message away from the cyton. Cyton means the cell body. And short branch part called the dendrites. These carry messages towards cyton. See here, in this diagram, these dendrites, they take up the message from other cell or from outside, and then the dendrites transmit this message to the axon via this cell body. From this axon, the message will be sent to the nerve endings, and from nerve endings they will be transferred to another or next nerve cell. So in this way the message is transferred through the nerve from the dendrite to cyton, then axon, and then lastly to the nerve endings. Okay, and this message which is transferred by this nerve is in the electrical form. Okay, all the messages are sent by the nerve in the form of electrical impulse. Okay, and because of these electrical impulse or electrical messages, our nerve help our muscles to move, or other commands sent by brain are sent to different organs via these nerve cells or the nervous tissue. Okay children, thank you.